Grab a can of tuna, apply hot glue all the way around, place it directly onto this plastic serving tray. I picked up this sign from Dollar Tree. Take your second can of tuna, place it right in the middle, grab your Sharpie. We're gonna trace right around that can. You know I love my twinkle lights. Grab your hot glue, put a dollop of hot glue right there. We're just going to circle this all the way around the can. Last one going on. Don't worry about this. You'll understand where to put this in a second. Let's set this to the side. I picked up these hanging candles from Dollar Tree. They even come with a remote. Get rid of all of that fishing line. Just take your hot glue. We're gonna put a dollop of hot glue right here. And then we're going to put this right here on the edge of your plastic tray. Give it a good hand press. And now just place on the second candle. Let's hope the remote works. Okay, get rid of that can. Take your glue. Just put hot glue right around here. I cannot wait for you to see what I add to the outside. Flip this around, then place it right in the center, right where you aim for it. I picked up this leaf garland at the hobby store. Just cut off these leaves. If you don't have any loose ones, you could even use ones out of your yard. Take your leaves. We're just going to place leaves all around the bottom. So tack those down in there just like so. I picked up this styrofoam pumpkin from the dollar store as well. We're just going to attach this right here to the edge. I cannot wait for you to see this. Make sure you put a good amount of hot glue on this side because look what I've got. I've got a hay bale. Let's hope and pray that this holds on nice and tight. Find the on-off switch of your battery pack, turn it over, put a strip of glue here. Now you don't have to use hot glue. You can also use E6000. Now slide this underneath and wedge that in. You want to make sure you can get to that switch. How perfect are these burlap bows? Gotta love a good glue stick. Let's put the hot glue right there. Bring this down. Let's cover that up. I found another styrofoam pumpkin. I'm just going to attach it right to the bale of hay. Put a little hot glue on the back of these sweater pumpkins and just put that in the corner. Grab your light remote. Let's go put this into place. Look how amazing this Dollar Tree DIY turned out. This is perfect for any entryway, indoor or out. Let's turn on these lights in 3, 2, I love it. And I've got the orange lights on behind. Be sure to check the comments. I'll post a photo of this lit up tonight after the sun goes down so you can see how awesome this is. And as always, if I can do this, you can do this. I cannot wait to see this at night.